Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Shreya and today I'm going to be telling you about my most repurchased MDs that I've been loving quite a lot from last 6 months or maybe a year, and I've been repurchasing them constantly. So let's get into the video quickly. The first product is this hair mask from Love Beauty and Planet, and I've been loving this so much that I've emptied out tubs and tubs of this mask, and these are the empties that you can see. ये recent में empties हैं जो मैंने बचा के रखे थे just to show you guys. Apart from that, इसके पहले भी मैंने इसकी 2-3 tubs खत्म की हैं और ये अभी एक repurchased tub है. And this is also I am about to empty. Can you just see कितना थोड़ा सा इसमें आखिरी का बचा हुआ है. Probably it's gonna last me for next 5 to 6 uses and then I'll be running out of this again. Now the best part about this mask is not just the scent and the feel of the product, but it really works. Be it cutting down the frizz, moisturizing my hair, softest, shiniest, glass hair wali jo feel hoti hai. This particular mask does it all for me altogether. Apart from that, it is a thick, cloudy texture. It's white in color. It has argan oil and lavender oil. It smells like lavender flowers. The scent is really, really nice. So you are gonna feel like that you're taking a luxurious spa. It is very, very affordable. You can grab this under 300 rupees on any of the sales. You should check this out. Coming to the next glitter toner, I have this light one and I've emptied it out. इसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है. And I am recently trying this Tilted Milk Skin Toner in the normal variant. It has two variants, so this one is light and this one is the normal variant. ये भी मेरा खत्म होने वाला है, and light मैंने खत्म कर दिया था and loved this product so much that I bought the full size. And full size को भी तुम लोग देख सकते हो कि इतना मैंने use कर लिया है. I've been using this religiously all the way during summers and monsoons. I think these are enough to tell you that I have loved this toner so much that this is what the empties look like. It looks like milk. It's very, very lightweight, especially the light version I'm talking about. It's very watery. Can you just see? It's not thick on your skin as well, I would say. It is pricey. It is not a budget thing, but it is going to change your skincare game, especially if you have a dry, dehydrated skin. You are going to love it. You all know my love for Laneige lip sleeping masks, and here are these. अब इसमें से ना ये 3 I have been using it continuously. इसके अलावा मेरे पास बहुत सारे और हैं, बट सबसे पहले जो मैंने लिया था it was this one, is the berry one. ये I have literally completely, मतलब इसमें कुछ भी नहीं बचा है, completely खत्म हो चुका है. अंदर तक you will not get anything. There is nothing in the tub. I finished this completely and I loved it so much कि मैंने इसकी holiday kit ली थी जिसमें ये minis आए थे और ये minis अभी तक चल रहे हैं. उसके बाद I got this one in the flavor called apple lime. Apart from that, I have a mango variant in the full tub and now a strawberry shortcake as well. So I love this mask. This I have been using it for years, like since 2023 जब से ये launch हुआ था इंडिया में. And I clearly remember सबसे पहले ये मिनी तभी launch हुई थी and it went वायरल लाइक एनीथिंग. इतना ज़्यादा ये वायरल हुआ था कि मुझे फोमो हो गया था कि ये तो अब लेना ही पड़ेगा. एंड आई वाज इन कॉलेज बैक देन एंड आई ट्राइड इट एंड आई इंस्टेंटली फेल इन लव. एंड तब से आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट एवरी सिंगल नाइट बिकॉज आई हैवंट बीन एबल टू फाइंड एनीथिंग क्लोजर टू दिस थिंग. आई नो दैट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प फॉर ड्राइनेस एंड chappiness of your lips, but it does work for nourishment and hydration, and that is what exactly I expect from a product, because I don't face any severe kind of pilling of the lips or chappiness or anything. I don't go through it. Either I'll just feel dryness and I'll put a lip sleeping mask or a balm which will nourish it. So for me, like, it fulfill my needs. So this one is very, very nice. Next product that I have finished in the skincare category is another toner cum essence. This one is this from Caudalie. This one is called their Vino Perfect Essence Glycolic Concentrate. So this one is a 50 ml bottle. ये मैंने Caudalie का Vino Perfect range का एक set आया था जिसमें serum, moisturizer and ये toner था. And I tried it उसी set में and I instantly fell in love because this is such a nice product. Not just the feel is very, very light. It is like water. इसको देखो ना, पूरा खत्म हो गया, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Just to show you the consistency, I have repurchased it and this looks like water. It's water, complete water. और इसको भी मैंने अभी थोड़ा-थोड़ा यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है बिकॉज़ अभी रिसेंटली ही आई एम्प्टीड दिस आउट। नाउ दिस वन वर्क्स लाइक मैजिक ऑन माय स्किन। इट इज़ सो नाइस। इसको रात में लगाओ एंड इफ यू हैव दैट वी नो परफेक्ट सीरम देन तो सोने पे सुहागा टाइप्स हो जाएगा। अगर आपने वो लगाया और इसको लगाया द इनसेन ग्लो एंड द स्मूथ skin that you're gonna wake up with is on different level, I'm telling you. And अगर वो सीरम नहीं भी है and you just have this one particular product, then also this layers up with other skincare products so well that अगले दिन I am telling you definitely you will see a difference in your skin. I think you should try this out. Now moving on to the next, the most loved fragrance of all times that I've used. This one is from Nykaa. It's called the Joy de Vivre or Viverve. I just don't know. But you all can see, इसके अलावा भी मेरे पास एक बॉटल है, मुझे भी मिल नहीं रही थी. You can see that I've emptied this out. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. There's nothing in this. Completely emptied out. Then I have this mini. इसको मैंने हाफ से ज़्यादा empty out कर दिया. You can see. एंड देन दिस फुल साइज इसको भी मैंने 1/4 यूज़ कर लिया है एंड आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ टू टेल यू दैट दिस इज अ सिग्नेचर staple scent in my routine. This is a fragrance that I use for my everyday office go. A fragrance which I can pull off anytime, anywhere of the day because this is very fresh, citrusy and aquatic. It's pure lemon zesty वाला feel and I love such kind of fragrances जिनका ऐसा scent profile होता है. When it dries down, the depth in the fragrance is really nice. That surprised me. It has those woody notes. It has oak musk. It is very nice. मतलब मस्क आ जाता है तो आपको मुझे तो बहुत पर्सनली पसंद है मस्क इन द ड्राई डाउन्स एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेग्रेंसेस में मस्क होता है. सो इट्स अ बजट फ्रेग्रेंस ऑल टुगेदर. Plus, the longevity of this fragrance is impressive, extraordinary for this price point. ये literally lasts on me for like 16-17 hours and on clothes it will last until you wash them. इतना ज़्यादा strong है ये fragrance. You should try this one out. Now the last product that has really worked for my skin over the past few days, past few years now. I got this product last year in 2024 in July. बहुत डरते डरते मैंने लिया था क्योंकि मैं एकदम से स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं ट्राई करने में मुझे डर लगता था उस टाइम एंड इट वॉज वेरी प्राइसी. तो इट वॉज फॉर 1700-1800 rupees for a serum, right? Which is pricey for me. And what if it didn't suit me? That was the question that I had in my head the most. कि अगर it didn't suit me, then it will be a money waste. But still, I got it and then I tried it out. Now, the product that I'm talking about is this one. Can you just see how many bottles I have finished? This serum is from Nambuzen. It is called the number 5 serum. You can see there's nothing in it. मतलब मैंने ऐसे खत्म ही कर दिया, कुछ नहीं है इसमें. There's nothing in it. I'll show you the consistency by the way. It is a very thick formulation by the way. It's very milky and very creamy and it keeps your skin moisturized for long. Only drawback that I feel with this serum is that it oxidizes very fast. Apart from that, basically this one is a vitamin concentrated brightening antioxidant glutathione serum. This is the profile of the product and the best part of this product is that it really works. एक टोन लाइट हो गई थी मेरी स्किन आफ्टर 3 वीक्स के कॉन्टिन्यूस यूज से and this literally works on acne like crazy. That is the main thing that I wanted to mention. ये एक्ने मार्क्स पे इतना ज़्यादा जल्दी काम करता है प्लस एक्टिव एक्ने को भी रिड्यूस करने में इतना जल्दी काम करता है कि मैंने बहुत ही कम सीरम्स के साथ ऐसा होते हुए देखा है. दिस वन लिटरली disappears my acne marks in like 7 days or something. This is that fast, so I think that you should try this out. This one is pricey but totally worth it. By the way, it is available on Macron Nykaa now, so you can check it out there as well. And that is all for today guys. I hope you liked this video and if you liked it then do give this video a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and families and let me know in the comment section that what would you like to watch next. I'll see you in my next one. Take care till then. Bye.